Oha Smart Kids, we will make it smart.
Episode 6. What is pie chart? Let's find. We're going to the moon.
It's going to be the best adventure ever. See you later, Earth.
Next stop, the moon.
Zero gravity is so fun. I love how we can just float around.
This is going to be amazing.
The moon looks huge. We made it. We're on the moon.
Perfect landing. Time to explore. This feels like we're flying.
Bouncing is so fun. Look at our moon footprints. Look, the moon is turning into a pie chart.
I've never seen anything like this.
A pie chart shows parts of a whole.
Each slice is a part of something, like how much time we spend playing or eating.
It's like the moon is teaching us about pie charts. The moon is amazing. It's incredible. The moon is dividing even more.
Each slice is glowing brighter. The bigger the slice, the more time we spend on that activity. Can you think of something you would divide into slices, like a pie chart? Maybe how much time you spend.
Playing or doing homework. Here's the time we spend playing, eating, and sleeping.
Look. We spend so much time playing. Look at all the slices. It's amazing to see our day like this.
It's so cool, right? Everything's right there in the chart.
The moon is glowing even brighter now.
Wow, look at all the new slices. Everything's there. Let's add a slice for our space adventure activities. Yes, I can't wait to see it on the chart.
We've spent a lot of time exploring.
Look, the chart shows everything we've done. Our whole day is there on the pie chart. It's so cool to see everything we've done.
It's amazing. What else can we use the pie chart for?
We can compare how much fuel we used or how many rocks we collected. Each slice shows a percentage of our day. The bigger the slice, the more time we spent on that activity.
Wow.
Let's add a slice for all the types of rocks we've collected. Look at all the moon rocks on the chart. There it is, the slice for all the moon rocks we collected.
The pie chart is glowing with our moon rock slice.
Look at everything we've done today, it's all on the chart.
It's amazing. Our whole adventure is right there. Look at our pie chart shining up there.
I'm proud of our moon adventure.
We've done so much.
Time to head back to Earth. Goodbye, moon pie chart.
I'll miss that glowing pie chart. We'll be back for another adventure soon.
Let's go tell everyone about our moon pie chart adventure.
I can't wait to share. What a trip.
Earth is getting closer. We're almost home. We're re-entering Earth's atmosphere.
Look, the moon is still glowing with our pie chart.
We'll always remember this adventure.
Yes, really.
Can you think of something else we could show on the moon pie chart?
Maybe how many different toys you have or how you spend your weekend.
Thanks for coming on this adventure with us.
Back on Earth.
Safe and sound. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun learning about pie charts. See you next time for another adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to OhaSmartKids.